Alright boys, we just made it to Thunderhill. We got a lot of stuff to set up. We're a little late. Had to stop at Walmart and grab some chalk for the chalk marker and grab a bunch of ice and water because it's supposed to be 106 out today, which means the track and where we're standing is gonna be like 1,000,000 degrees. So yeah. All right guys, well we're out here, we're mostly set up. We're about to get the track finished. Van and Spencer coned it and now they're doing the chalk, and then we're pretty much ready to start the day. We got a driver's meeting coming up for all the drivers. Maybe I'll film some of that for you guys, and then pretty much, yeah, we're gonna start practice. So I'll film some laps of people doing practice and whatnot.
Use this time to figure it out. If there's something about the layout or a concern about something, once we come in for that next meeting, tell us if you want to.
All right, we out here. It's round 2 of ADS. We're missing Derek. We got Behrad running the show. He's doing a great job. We got Squints on track. Maybe we can catch an entry.
Oh, this is for the vlog? Yeah, this is Behrad's vlog. So.
Hey, Jay, Luke, we're gay.
All right guys, we're about halfway through our top 32 battles and we just had a big crash, which was for a buy run. He just kind of came into the wall pretty hot on the entry. Let's hope he's okay. Looks like definitely a broken tie rod or something.
Hey man, bye beating, damn it.
Back it up, Terry! Road in reverse, Terry! No, just back up slow and then we'll have you go forward. He doesn't want to stay that way. There we go. Now just go forward slow. Everything else looks good. You have another tie rod?
My tie rod broke like that at a bash. I was able to drive all the way off track just hella slow without anybody kicking the wheel, dude.
That's crazy. Shout out to Bai for taking that run.
All right guys, Andrew is letting me drive his Mustang for a couple laps. Look at this thing. Let's go. I didn't even bring my own helmet or anything today, so I'm gonna use his helmet. No power steering, and I don't really drive other people's cars very often. And check this out. What are those? I forgot my shoes. I'm wearing Birks with socks, no shoes. I'm probably gonna go barefoot because I can't drift to these. driving a different car. I'm definitely not used to the power steering, and then no e-brake. I tried pulling it once, but it didn't really do anything. Never had to drive with no e-brake really, and f***ing up my line and trying to correct it is really hard. It's good practice though, but also the no power steering, a whole different car, it's kind of hard to get used to everything at once. All right, guys, we made it to top 4. We got Jay holding great proximity through that whole outer zone. Nice drop through inner clip 2. Jay not giving Lucas any space into outer zone 2. And here we go into number 3. Great job by both drivers. Jay putting it on his door. Great job, wow. Jay just battled Lucas, and Jay won, so he's basically up to battle for first and second versus Alan. And then Val and Lucas are going to battle for third and fourth place. So we're waiting for them to get ready for that battle, and then we just got the last 2 battles, and comp is over. So yeah, Val and Lucas battling for third and fourth. Jay and Chase. Nice entry, getting real deep into that zone. Jay getting right up onto Alan's car, right here through inner clip. He angled up pretty hard, but looks like he's able to transition nicely and back up on his door. Nice smooth lead line by Alan. Here we go into outer zone 3. Jay staying right up on him. Great job, guys, wow. Amateur Drift Series. Great job, drivers. Great job to all the drivers today. A lot of tough battles. I know it's hot out here. We'll get you guys out of here soon. We had a battle for third and fourth place against Lucas and Val. I think this is Val's first time getting into the top 4, and this is also Alan's first time in the top 4. So great job to both those guys. Give them a hand. And third place goes to Lucas. Great job, buddy. Great job, Val. That makes Val in fourth place. Still getting lots of points there in terms of overall score. So fourth place, great place to be. And Lucas, great job, buddy, third place. Now our battle for first and second. Tough battle. Again, Alan has been with us in the series since last season, since the beginning. So is Jay. This is Alan's first time getting up into the top 4. And actually, I think even into the top 8. So fantastic driving today, man. So for first place, after some tough battles, goes to Jason Harding. This is Jason's second first place trophy. He got first place last round as well. That puts Alan in second place. Great job, Alan. Again, this is Alan's first time getting into top 8, top 4, and now podium. So fantastic job from all the drivers. Give him a hand, and let's get some pictures, guys, if you don't mind standing by your cars. And thank you to our drivers. Thank you guys for coming out, and thank you guys for driving hard and
following all of our rules, making this easy for us. And lastly, thank you to our judges. We had Lex King out from the Bay Area. Lex comes a long way for these events, and he is definitely, his input and his insights really appreciated here. So if you guys see Lex, if you guys don't know who he is, go find him, say hi to him. He is awesome. And our next judge was Evan Bogovich from Prospect FD. If you guys know Evan, he is kind of the hometown hero. He just took first place in St. Louis last week in FD, so it was great to have him out judging as well. Thank you to the judges. Thank you to all the staff that helps us out with everything, running grid, running cones, and all that. Truly could not be done without you guys, so give it up for everybody. And shout out to Thunderhill for letting us host here and hopefully letting us get away with a lot more stuff as time goes on. Yeah, he said he's got us. He's got us. All right, guys, hold up those trophies. Let's get some last pictures. I'm going to get some right here for our Instagram page. Val, you can get closer, buddy. It's okay.
Are you sure?
They won't
All
bite.
right. Okay.
No, I'm kidding.
Nice hat.
Hi.
Went and bought Spencer and I hats earlier today because we were gonna die out here. All right, guys. Well, we're getting loaded up. Got the truck getting loaded up. Dawn and Allie have been cleaning up mad crazy fast, so shout out to them. We are just open track for the rest of the time. Comp's over. Jay took first place again, 2 rounds in a row. Jay took first place. It's crazy. All right, anyway, guys. Well, I'm probably gonna end the video here. Let me know what you guys thought of the comp video or ADS video. I know I've never vlogged like one of these videos. If you guys like this type of video, leave a comment, let me know, or like the video so I know to do more like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I hope to see you guys in the next video. And yeah, peace.